In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add the Grammarly extension to your Google Chrome browser for enhanced writing assistance. Grammarly is a popular tool that can significantly improve your writing by providing real-time feedback, and installing it on Chrome is incredibly simple. Let's walk through the process to get you set up and ready to craft perfect emails, documents, or social media posts with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. To do this, open Google Chrome on your computer. If you're unfamiliar, the Chrome Web Store is an online marketplace hosted by Google, where you can find a variety of extensions and themes to customize your browsing experience. Once you're on Chrome, locate the search bar, it's usually at the top of the browser interface, and type in Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link that appears in the search results, which should direct you straight to the store's homepage. Now that you're on the Chrome Web Store, let's find Grammarly. Use the search bar in the upper left corner of the page. Type in Grammarly and hit enter. You should see Grammarly appear among the search results. Look for the Grammarly listing that allows you to add it to Chrome. Typically, the official Grammarly extension will be the first result and should be accompanied by a green icon with a white G in the center. Once you have found the Grammarly extension, click on the Add to Chrome button. When you click this, a small dialog box will pop up, asking for your confirmation. This message is just Chrome's way of ensuring you trust the extension you're about to install. It will ask for permissions that Grammarly requires to function seamlessly across different applications within your browser, such as accessing the text you type. Press Add Extension to continue. Congratulations! You've successfully added Grammarly to your Google Chrome browser. The extension will begin to download automatically, and you should see the Grammarly icon appear in your Chrome toolbar, which is located in the upper right-hand corner of the browser window. From here, the setup is complete. Grammarly is ready to assist you by offering grammar, punctuation, and style suggestions, automatically integrating with email services and common word processors you might use. To ensure everything is working correctly, you can test out Grammarly by opening a new tab and going to any text editor, like Gmail or Google Docs. Start typing, and you should notice Grammarly's small green circle appear at the bottom right corner, analyzing your writing and offering suggestions as you go. And there you have it. You've added Grammarly to your Chrome browser in just a few simple steps. Enjoy your newfound ability to write with confidence, knowing Grammarly will support you through all your online writing endeavors. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore the variety of features that Grammarly offers to make the most of this helpful tool.